keratin strike question. So my client asked that what should she do after she do keratin strike if she want to go to the beach or go to the swimming? What should she do? Okay, here's my opinion. So the first thing when you do keratin strike after 3 days, if you go to swimming or you go to the beach, the first thing that you need to do that wet your hair first, and then after that put the treatment on. So my suggestion that you the alternate treatment of NAC, put it on your hair, like after wet your hair and then put the treatment on, and then use the cap, like swimming cap or shower cap, whatever, you put it on, wrap it, and then when you get into the water, and then if the water on the swimming pool or at the beach, it get into your hair, so the treatment, it kind of like it can get into there, it wet and it close the cuticle, it cannot get like the water, it cannot get inside, so it doesn't affect your hair. So that is my opinion. So you put it on and then you just go to swim like normal, and then when you back home, you just wash your hair like normal, and then put another treatment after that, like shampoo first and then put another treatment after that. Leave for, like I always suggest, when you use the treatment, that to get the best result, that leave is as long as you can, like in the morning to the afternoon or overnight would be the best. So that is my advice. But what happens if you say you don't have this kind of treatment? So you can use the conditioner, but with the keratin strike, that remember, you cannot use any kind of products have sulfate on it, okay? Avoid sulfate. If you use any products have sulfate on it, it will strip out all the keratin and your hair, it will be back to normal. So so hopefully this helps. And if you have any particular question for keratin strike, comment below.